Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Bella, and today's look I am going to do Morphe Jeffree Star palette. I know I'm a little late in the game, but okay. I have a daughter that I take care of because I'm a full-time single mom, and I take care of my 4 little furry babies. Oops. And I have a budget, so slowly but surely I'm getting makeup. So finally got the collection. I'm so happy. And I actually got all the brushes too. All the brushes. And I got this too. And I got the setting spray. And I got a lip gloss, which, well, not lip gloss, lipstick that I'm going to be using too. So it's actually a Jeffree Star day, kind of. Except for I'm using different cosmetics for my foundation and all that, which I already prepped my skin, and I already did all that. So that was, I used something else. I used MAC foundation for that and some other stuff. I use my new Fenty ones that I love too, because these were on sale. Thank you. And you know, just being a single mom and trying to survive and trying to do what my passion was. I've been wanting to do makeup for over 20 years. Actually, wow, almost 30 years actually. Just think about it. See how you get old and you just start forgetting things. But I haven't been able to because, you know, of life happens, and I had a daughter to take care of, and my struggles that I have with disability, my anxiety that I have, my depression that I have. So a lot of things that I struggle with daily that just came to life, and you know, finally from leaving an abusive relationship that I was in for 5.5 years, I was like, wait a minute, what are you doing? I got to get out of this relationship and start moving away, and I had to move far away, and then try to do something that I've always wanted to do. And I said, you know what, I gotta stop because I'm not getting any younger. And I just, you know, I know I struggle with, you know, learning and stuff because I do have a learning disability, but I want to just show that people out there that don't give up on your dreams. You guys can do it. If I'm doing it, even though I'm late in the game, don't give up, okay? Just don't. So, if you've ever thought about wanting to do makeup and you're struggling, you have disability, or whatever it may be, don't give up, okay? I need to go get some water, so be right back. Okay. So, I'm going to go in as my transition, well, yeah, I'm just going to do all over lid. And I'm going to use this color, which is Lynn. This one right here, okay? And that one I'm just going to put all over my lid for that one. So I actually got another light too that I just purchased. So I'm trying to purchase a little bit at a time, like upgrading my stuff. So just bear with me, guys. I'm still using my my niece's iPhone, and I just got a light. So I do need to get a couple other things that are on my list, but like I said, been working full time and trying to take care of my daughter, and you know, bills and stuff. You guys already know how that is. It's, you know, it just takes time to get there, but I'll get there. Just be patient with me, guys, okay? I'll get there. Okay, before I go any further, my magic, which I need because I want to get that straight line look, so I'm kind of cheating. Okay, guys, now I'm going to go in with the color Chanel, which is right here. I love the names that he came up with. It's just, I love it. It's so amazing. Okay, and this is just going to be my transition shade, so I'm going to start from the end and then work my way up around. I love this color. It's so pretty. This is like such a perfect transition color to start with. It's like so gorgeous. I love it. Okay, guys, now I'm going to go in with What's the Tea, which is right here. Really pretty. I love the name. It's so cool. I love it. And I'm just going to go underneath where I was doing the transition shade shade. I can't even talk. And I'm just going to put it right underneath. And I'm using the same brush, the J55. And I'm just going to go around like this. So I'm just putting it on the lower end from where I did the top part. And going like that. And just do windshield wipers like you're washing your window, your car window. Okay guys, now I'm going to start doing the darker shades on the outer corner, and I'm going to use... Hi dude. That's so funny. Okay, so it's this color right here. So pretty. I love it. And I'm going to go in with smaller brush, and it's my Jeffree Star one still. This one is called Sport Mode Blender. That's cool. I love it. I love the names they came up with these brushes. I label my brushes because it's easier for me to know which brush does what. I'm going to do a video soon. I just ordered my label maker, so I'll show you guys how I did it. It just helps me. Maybe it'll help you guys too. If you're like starting out doing makeup, and I know there's so many brushes, like you're like, what are all these used for? So it just helps me. So, and then I'm going to start going on the end like this, just packing it a little bit, and I'm not going to go all the way to the the inner corner. I'm just sticking to the outer part, okay? So I'm just going to pack that on. Okay, I packed that in, and I'm just going to blend it out just a little bit, and I'm just working my way on building. So just want to blend. So just blending a little bit at a time. Oh my god, you guys gotta try this setting spray. It smells like strawberries. Oh my god, it does. I love it. It's amazing. Okay, so I wet it a little bit on here. So let me see if I like that a little bit better. I mean, it's fine without it if you don't want to, but I just want to intensify it a little bit more. Like, give it a little bit more pop. Oh my god, it's beautiful. Amazing. I love it. Okay, now I'm going to do the inner corner where the tear duct is right here. I'm going to go in with Welcome. This one right here. Really pretty. And then I'm going to use my Diva crease brush. Diva. I like that. She is a diva. Alright. Okay, and I'm just going to do the inner corner where the tear duct is. I'm just going to go up a little bit here. A little bit on the lower. Okay, now I'm going to do the lower lash line down here, and I'm going to go in with What's the Tea right here, and I'm going to use my palm crease brush, and I'm just going to buff it underneath the lash line. I'm not going to go all the way, I'm just going to do a little over halfway. And just buff that a little bit. Okay guys, I'm going to do my lashes. My Sephora from Lily Sephora lashes. I'm going to pop these babies in. Okay guys, that is the final look. And comment below what you think. Thank you so much for watching, and I so appreciate it. I love you. Love you guys so much. It means so much that you guys take the time to actually watch this video, and comment below whether, I mean, negative, okay, but you know, try not to be too negative where it's like bully type, but you know, I'm only growing, so you know, just let me know what you guys want to see. Okay, thank you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, ring that bell, and that will actually let you know every time I upload videos. So I'm trying to do at least 2 videos a week. That's my goal, okay? So that's my goal. I'm going to try. So, okay, love you guys. Mwah.